Hello, and in this quick tutorial I wanted to show you the difference between a margin, a padding and a border on a div element in HTML and CSS. So as you can see here, we've got our document set up with our background color of CCC, so a nice little grey, and we have our box element here with inside the content just I'm a box. Now say we wanted to give this a background of red, save that. We can see that we've got a red background behind the element itself. If we then give it a border of 1 pixel solid and black, we can see we've now got this border which sits around the background of our box. Now if we give our box a margin of 50 pixels, save that, we can see that the background has stayed tight to the text with no space inside the border. Now if we add a padding inside our box of 50 pixels, we can see that the padding has grown around the content, which is inside the border and being cushioned by the margin. So if you think this section around our box is controlled by margin, our border is the line which sits around the outside of the element, and our padding is the distance between the border and the content which sits on the inside of the box. I hope that helps.